Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you are watching the post market show. So, today's market was obviously bearish, and we did talk about this that for the previous 2 days, if you had seen that the price action was markets opening with a gap down, then continuously moving throughout the day. But today it was exactly opposite. Markets opened flat, and throughout the day, it kept on falling. And US markets were weak, and FMC minutes were there. So US markets did not react positively to that. US markets fell. Global markets were already weak, adding to all of those definitely. Nifty was pretty weak, and other indices have also fallen. It was an expiry day as well, and it was a trending expiry. Also, although the trend was not that strong, Nifty fell about 100 points, and VIX was shooting up, and it has been shooting up for the last few days. So interesting. What lies ahead is there more bearishness up ahead. Let's wait and see. So let's start with the charts, and let's start with the Indian markets. Obviously, Nifty 0.5% down on the daily charts. You see it's a red candle now. And moving to the 15 minutes chart, you can see markets opened absolutely flat from where it opened. Immediately, it was a massive sell-off in the first 15-minute candle. Then it fell, and why did it take support? Around 19,334. This is the beauty of supports which we have seen. So markets came, and the low made was 19,326, and from there it moved a little bit higher and closed somewhere around 19,365.5% down. Back Nifty 0.13% down. Back Nifty was also weak, you can see, but in the initial while it opened with a gap up, fell, but then it slowly moved up, but could not sustain the levels of 44,000 and above. Around 11 o'clock there was a sell-off. Again, why did it take support? 43,741, a beautiful support. We had seen this and marked this for many days, and yesterday this was also told as well, and from there it reversed slightly. 43,891 is the closing for Back Nifty, not being able to close above 44,000 once again. Mid caps, small caps did pretty well as usual. They are up. Mid caps up 0.25%, small caps up 0.18%. Sector wise, all sectors have ended in the green, excepting one sector, which is Nifty PSU Bank Index, which is up 1.43%. Other than that, everything is very weak. The lowest is Nifty Energy, 1.04% down. This is probably because of crude oil prices going down in the global markets. That caused some weakness in the Reliance stock, and probably that has caused the fall in Nifty Energy. Apart from that, all the stocks have fallen. FMCG sector has fallen by 0.89% because of ITC. Although after the result it was firm, but today it fell massively. So let's look into the index movers. You can see ITC Reliance the top dragger in Nifty 50. So Reliance down by 2%, Reliance down by 1.44%, ITC down by 2%, even HDFC Bank was down by 0.55%, L&T down by 1.43%. Talking about stocks which moved up, we have Adani Ports, followed by State Bank of India, 1.2% up, giving a huge boost to the PSU Bank Index. Then we have Titan, Adani Enterprise, Axis Bank, Bajaj Auto, all moving higher. So this is the situation right now. FII, DII activity shows both turning net sellers. Yesterday it was exactly opposite. Both of them were net buyers. No, not yesterday, the day before that. But today the scenario is pretty negative. DII is selling for 313 crores. FII is selling again almost 5 times the DII selling for 1510 crores. So things look pretty bearish. Talking about the economic data, let's see if there is anything important to look out over here. We have the Australian unemployment rate. It has risen to 3.7%, slightly higher than expectation. Apart from that, nothing else is there. So this is on the economic data front. Let's see if there's anything tomorrow that we should be watching out for. So let's look at that. Okay, tomorrow Japanese inflation data is coming out in the morning. Apart from that, Euro inflation is also coming out around 2:30 p.m. and yeah, that's about it. Nothing much is there. Not that important, I would say, for the Indian markets. Coming back and looking into the charts of US markets. US markets were in the red, if you remember, last day. Today, let's look into the 15-minute chart. Okay, US markets opened slightly up, then it fell, broke yesterday's low. Now it is moving up with a good strength, we are seeing. So Dow Jones is slightly up 0.05 percentage, S&P 500 up by 0.14 percentage, Nasdaq is also trying to move up 0.02 percentage up. So US markets are recovering as we speak right now, and as usual the Asian markets, European markets are pretty weak. You can see UK markets falling by 0.13 percentage, French markets down by 0.94 percentage, German markets down by 0.7 percentage, and Asian markets have all fallen, but the fall compared to yesterday, it is slightly lesser. And Chinese market is the only market among Asian markets which moved up. It is up by 0.79 percentage. Rest Japanese markets are down 0.44 percentage. Korean markets are down 0.23 percentage, and Hong Kong markets are flat. Looking into commodities, crude oil prices, after falling for almost 4 days, we are seeing some kind of recovery or a pullback, you can say, and it is 1.9 percentage up today. And the gold prices have broken 1900 levels. So gold prices are looking quite weak. So what is the next support? Let's find that out. Okay, this looks like it could be a support. What is this level? 1868 is the next level I'm watching out for in gold, in case there is a further fall, and that level could act as a support. Apart from that, we have other metals are looking fine. Aluminium is taking support at these levels. Let's say if it breaks down from here, that could be more pain ahead. Otherwise, if it moves up, that would be fine. Coming to dollar index, it is finally there is some kind of I would say a weakness, but it's very slightly in dollar index. It's 0.12 percentage down. Indian rupee showing strength. It is at 83.1, so it's still above 83, but it is stronger by 0.11 percentage. This is the overall situation in the currency markets. So it was expired today, so let's not look into the open interest data. So we will be discussing that tomorrow. So looking at the markets, since this level has been tested multiple times on 19,330, if there is more weakness ahead, in case US markets don't recover, 19,233 is what I'm betting on for tomorrow. Let's hope that level is kept intact. Otherwise, next support is at 19,000, because if you know markets, when it was moving up, it was moving up with a lot of gap ups. So not much support down below. So 19,334, 19,233, and 1911 are the supports to watch out. Upside 19,432, 19,523, 19,566. So lot of resistance are there. And Bank Nifty, similarly 43,740, which has been taken as a support multiple times. That is what I'm looking at. Down below 43,471, and that is broken. 43,000 is there. Up above 44,151, 44,500. These are the levels to watch out in case of upside in Bank Nifty. So these are the levels. Let's see where the market goes. Things are looking pretty bearish in the market, but looking at US markets recovering right now, and from negative they have become positive. If it ends in the positive area, maybe markets can consolidate tomorrow. Otherwise, if that does not happen, if US markets have a sell-off, that can create more panic, and Fridays are usually trending, so keep that in mind as well. And it could be a selling market tomorrow as well. So that is all from my side. Thank you for watching, and have a very good night.